Alright, first off, I just want to say hi. My name is Braden Hubbard. I just want to welcome everybody to the AEP 867 class. So, a little bit about myself. Currently, I am an HR and payroll specialist at a nursing home in the nearby area where I live. Um, Not my forever goal. I plan to be a teacher. Currently, going for my master's in elementary education. Um, Set to student teach in August and graduate in December, so I'm kind of nearing the end of it, ready for it to be over. Motivation is kind of going down, hence why I'm recording this on the last day. A little bit about myself: I'm not a traditional student in like the trajectory to being a teacher. Got my minor in criminal justice with an emphasis in legal studies. Planned on being a lawyer. Decided that's not what I wanted to do. And then I kind of finished out my degree and decided maybe teaching would be the next option. So that's kind of where I'm aiming at for that. Um, Really, the big takeaway I want to get from this class is I really want to kind of get that understanding of effective instruction and how to really model it. Um, Kind of working backwards, I already did my assignments, but doing my criminal justice minor, undergraduate, sorry. Um, I didn't deal a whole lot with models per se and like implementing them to students. My main focus was on theories and applying those to like statistics and human nature. So I did some things that were kind of similar, like I did psychology classes that really kind of meshed with this as well. Um, but overall, I haven't dealt with models a whole lot, so I haven't had that instructional side of that. Um, I guess my kind of big usage of like instruction or teaching would be I coach softball, so I really have to stay on top of that because it's 14-year-old girls, so that's always a fun one to kind of get in the range of. Um, nope, just I'm ready to be in the classroom. We'll kind of have to see where it goes. My wife's kind of in a similar boat. She got a criminal justice undergraduate, and she's now going for her master's in school counseling. So all in all, kind of a busy time. Work full time, classes full time. Just got married, so a whole lot of things going on. Kind of keeping everything busy and relaxed at the same time. So just kind of looking forward to this class as we kind of get through it.